Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily enable dark mode on Windows 11. So right now we have the light mode. You can see the taskbar, it's in light color. That means we are in light mode. But we can easily change it to dark mode. Let's see how. First go to start, click here, or you can also click the start button on your keyboard. After clicking go to settings, you can also type settings here if you are unable to find this. Type settings. Now click on open to open the settings. To reach the section wherein you can easily set dark mode, go to personalization. Now herein you can see the options are visible. Click on colors. Now the mode is visible. It's light right now. You can see because it's light. You can go to the drop down and set the custom as well as dark color. We will set the dark theme. Click on dark. On clicking dark, you can see we have changed the theme to dark. Now everything is in dark color. You can see the taskbar is dark. When I'll right click, the background of the format is in dark. We have successfully changed it to dark mode. You can toggle and change it to light mode again. So guys, in this video we saw how we can enable dark mode on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.